Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Praying, and welcome to Pray in the Week episode 53 Christmas Tree Kit Card. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. This is a kit card, and when you are taking the kit cards off the bed, you do gotta be careful, just because those little thin runners do have a tendency of snapping on you if you pull on them too hard. So just slowly work around the whole thing to get it to come up. And then this one actually did have a bit of a problem printing. It didn't cause a massive problem, but did leave a little bit of a defect. The print actually curled, and that's actually due to a loss of adhesion to the bed. That was most likely caused because I forgot to clean my bed in a while. So I'll just clean it with some rubbing alcohol, and I'll just speed past pulling the trees off the kit card. And I'm just kind of carefully breaking those off for you don't have a little nub sticking out on the tree. And once those are disassembled, I'm going to go ahead and slide them together, the two slots. And then this is an ornament. If you're going to use it as an ornament, I recommend just putting a tad bit of glue between the two pieces to hold them together. Otherwise, you can just slide them together and use it as a decoration to sit around. So what do you guys think of this? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.